Okay, today I am doing a market breakdown of exactly the trade that I took today. I made $7.8 thousand longing. I made 1.7 R, beautiful 135 handles in just 45 minutes. I said on Instagram that it was 1 hour. If you want to see the exact executions, just go to my Instagram. You'll see it. Now, the trade was very simple. We were not in this trade for a long time. We were in this trade for 40 minutes. I said we were in this trade for an hour on Instagram. I was wrong. I'm sorry. I also thought I had made $10,000. Actually, it's 7.8. So, very, very simple position. We had the market, before the market opened, we marked out multiple levels, mostly on the 15-minute chart. We have this 15-minute order block, we have this 1 hour fair value gap, and we have this 1 hour order block that we were already reacting from. So I wasn't really looking at the 1 hour order block. Then the market opens and it starts absolutely tanking. But at this point, let's look at the daily chart. Is it not bullish? Is it not bullish? It is. So therefore, I continued to be bullish, just as I've been over the last, ever since the 1st of April, I've been bullish. The only times I've been bearish was actually when the market moved to the downside. Now, with that being said, the market opens and it starts moving aggressively bearish, right? We have sweep of the high, market moves lower. At this point, this is where a lot of traders start thinking, oh my God, we swept the high, we started moving down, 5 minutes closed bearish, so therefore I want to execute on the shorts. If you understand direction, you would never even think about the shorts today, right? That's what I said in today's market breakdown. I was not looking at the shorts at all. And then when we were down here, I was actually saying, listen, if we have a 5-minute reversal from here, because today I actually traded live inside of Funded Trading Blueprint. If that is something that you're looking for, just check the first link in the description. You get 2 live trading sessions with myself. You get 1 live trading session with Sander. You get basically so many things every single day. Market breakdown. I analyze the chart every single day. So with that being said, market goes all the way up and I'm not in the trade just yet. So what I do afterwards is I wait for the 1 minute to give me a strong manipulation and then I execute. Now, I executed here, but I could have just as well executed anywhere inside of this fair value gap, right? I executed here. It was quite precise because the market then moves higher, moves lower, comes towards this 1 minute order block, and then just goes all the way higher. And then as it's reaching this high, I'm thinking, okay, market has moved up quite a lot. It's about 0.3 R away from my final take profit of 2 R. So therefore, I'm just going to start managing aggressively here. Why? Then the market moves here. I manage below this. It's low, and then it tags me out, tanks a little bit, comes towards this order block, and then moves all the way up higher. So basically, everyone in the community took the 2R. Everyone beside me took the 2R. And yeah, that's really it. A 3-minute long trade recap. I can yap pretty well about the fact that we pretty much called the whole move. Long, boom, boom. And then we took the 2R, myself 1.7R. And then if you go into the NASDAQ chat, it's just people absolutely crushing 2.2, 1.7, 1.4, 1.9, 4.5, 2.3, 1.5, 2R, 2R. Like Miguel, he probably took also a 2R, 1.8R. This is absolutely insane. And the best part, by the way, is that these traders, they're not copying what I'm doing. They're literally doing it for themselves. Yes, they're watching me live, but they understand exactly why I'm taking these positions. So even if I had not taken it, they would have taken it. For example, Chloe, inside of the community, she actually said she executed on this 5-minute close. So she had a better entry, better stop than me, and also locked in the 2R. Now, this is the power of direction. Is you see this price action where everyone would say, oh my God, we're moving to the downside because we swept the high and we closed bearish. And you would say, no, actually, we're very, very likely going to move still higher. And during the live stream, I said, listen, if this reverses right there, this is going to look absolutely beautiful. It did. We execute, and we took a 1.7R. I don't think there's much more I can say. I can yap for more, but I'm not going to. Peace. And you know that if you're looking for a mentorship where you can learn to do this yourself, just check the first link in the description. That's pretty much that.